So let's move on to 9C now, 9C1, and we can see that in this example he's forgotten to depreciate his equipment. This is to be depreciated by 15% using the straight line method. Calculate the new net book value for his equipment here. So this is a 2-mark question, and we can see that we've got that space that we can expect for showing your workings, as well as where to actually put your final answer. So let's just turn back a page, and we can see that it was referring to his equipment in particular. So we can see a value of his equipment at 8,500. So we're being told to depreciate at that rate of 15%. So we've got that figure of 8,500. So if we take 8,500 and now multiply that by 0.85 or 85% in effect, then we can then see our answer come up. So let's just run through that so you can see it on the calculator. Times 0.85, there we go, 7,225. So let's put that down there, and once again that's 2 marks in the bag, nice and straightforward. So second error, he has incorrectly included his overdraft of £800 in his bank figure. So when it comes to this point about incorrectly including his overdraft of £800 in his bank figure, there's a real issue here, because he's recorded it under a current asset when of course it should actually be recorded as a current liability. So this is in effect saying plus 800 here, when really this should be right over the other side, and it should be subtracting 800. So it isn't enough just to take that 800 off there, because of course this is a negative 800, which should be over here. So based on the position where he currently is, he's actually going to be minus £1,600 worse off in effect. Okay, so if we just have a look at what we've actually got here, we can see that we've got 1,972, but remember 3,000 here, well that figure is really 2,200, and this figure is actually £800 greater than it should be, okay, or than is actually recorded there. So in all you need to do really is take off £1,600, and then you can see the answer will be £372. So you could then just put that one down. You can include your working showing that you've taken this figure and just include this bit of working here, 1,972 minus 1,600, and that would equal 372, of course. Now, the alternative and slightly longer way of doing that, of course, would be to take £800 off here. So you'd then be running through 7796 minus 800. Okay, so that would now be 6996. So we can see that's 6996. At the same time, 5824 plus 800 would give us 6624. Of course, and so now if we then run through there, we can go 6996 minus 6624 equals 372. So there's a couple of different ways to go about answering this question. Okay, the first way that I showed you is by far and away the quickest way, but you've got to feel confident in terms of understanding that method there. Okay. Right, great stuff.